So this question is a basically calculation based. This kind of the question whenever is coming, I will always suggest that ki don't start directly. See, everywhere angle is same, 2 pi by 9. So first job what you do, you can assume 2 pi by 9 as a theta. So calculation will become simple. So I'm assuming because sine 2 pi by 9 value we don't know. So that is why it's better to assume some value. So let theta equal to 2 pi by 9. Correct? Now this expression, power 3 leave it. Power 3 will do later. We'll just try to expand this. So we'll assume z equal to, I'm assuming this is the z, 1 plus sine theta plus I cos theta divided by 1 plus sine theta minus I cos theta. Now it looks simple. Correct? So easily you can understand that we are going to do rationalization and we will multiply conjugate of this. So z equal to, we'll get 1 plus sine theta plus I cos theta into 1 plus same thing, conjugate of this. So this will become whole square and divided by, what is this going to become? 1 plus sine theta the whole square and plus cos square theta. I am not going very much small calculation because I hope all of you are going to write JEE examination, so you know you can understand all this calculation. Now expand it, simple expansion. So z equal to, this will be what? 1 plus sine square theta plus this square. This square means I square cos square theta means minus cos square theta and plus 2 into this 2 sine theta plus 2 into this 2 I cos theta. Correct? Plus 2 into this all of you know a plus b plus c whole square formula. I am applying nothing else I am doing. So 2 I cos theta sin theta. Chaliye. Divided by, what does denominator become? 1 plus sine square theta, 1 plus sine square theta plus 2 sin theta plus cos square theta. So easily you can understand कि 1 plus sine square theta plus cos square theta become 1, 1 plus 1, 2 common and denominator become your 2 into 1 plus sine theta. I am sure it's clear to everybody, right? Numerator. Also I will try to get in this format so that easily we can do. So you can see very clearly कि 1 minus cos square theta will become sine square theta and sine square theta plus sine square theta will become 2 sine square theta. Yes or no? As well as plus 2 sine theta. Why I am making it pair? Because I wanted to get this. So this is also done. And from here, I can take 2 I cos theta common. Cos theta common. So 1 plus sine theta. Now question done near about. I will divide this here. This is the one pair and this is the another pair. I will divide here and here. So z equal to, if you divide it here, 2 sine theta common. So what will left? Only sine theta will left. And here 2 into 1 plus sine theta get cancelled plus I cos theta. See how simple expression came. So z equal to this. Now z I will try to write in the form of the a plus ib, means cos theta plus I sin theta. So plus I am taking common. So z equal to will become I into cos theta and 1 by I sin theta, which is minus I sin theta. Now I am writing it here. Watch it carefully. I want z cube actually. The z cube will be equal to I cube. I cube what? Minus I. And this power 3. So by using De Moivre's theorem, we can say, or Euler's formula, we can say power 3 will become cos 3 theta plus minus I sin 3 theta. Now z cube equal to minus I and theta value put back 2 pi by 9 into 3 means cos 2 pi by 3 minus I sin 2 pi by 3. I hope everybody understood. Cos 2 pi by 3 all of you know minus half, sin 2 pi by 3 is the root 3 by 2. So z cube is equal to minus I into minus half minus I root 3 by 2. I'm sure it's clear to everybody, right? Okay. Now done. One according to option we'll correct it. So z cube equal to minus common, 1 by 2 also common I am taking, minus 1 by 2 I am taking outside, so minus 1 by 2 out, and minus minus cancel, plus, that will become plus, correct? So 1 by 2 and I am sending inside, so here mine, see, I taken out, what is that out? 1 by 2, so this will become I minus I square means minus root 3, so this is the answer. Minus root 3, yes, A option, because minus again you can take common, so same thing will come. Is that clear? So this is the what you can, from this question what we try to learn, when the expression they give some dirty expression, always try to assume something and then expand it. Automatically will come. It's a JEE main question, never be that much difficult, it cannot be solved.